Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be your designing developer. My name is Insha Alvik. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you that how to build one interactive map project in JavaScript, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like I enjoyed my previous project of JavaScript. So let's start. Now over here you can see I've just made this interactive map project. So in this project you can see we have just over here written interactive map project really big, and over here you can see underneath there are buttons. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5 buttons over here, and there is written its name also. Okay, and in that over here in that button there are also written names. Okay, so underneath these all buttons over here you can see there is a picture of a map. Okay, so we have just built that with JavaScript. Okay, this map over here we don't bring any of the picture. Okay, but over here you can see the background color. We have also do that with CSS over here. So I will just show you how to do, but for that you have to just do like that, and I will be just doing it half screen over here. Now over here you can see I've just done that. Now over here I will be just going to my index.html file. Okay, so over here you can see we have just done that all. So I will be just doing like that, and now over here first of all I will be writing starting code. So I will be writing this sign and I will be pressing tab. Okay, so over here you can see I just got in my all the starting code which I want. Okay, so over here you have to come, and now over here I will be writing h1 tag. So just when you've done that you have to come over here, and now I will be writing over here like just you can write anything. Like over here you can see which I am writing, these are just coming over here. Okay, so if I just test over here like hello world, over here you can see it is just coming like that. Okay, so over here it will be just troubling you in when you're doing CSS. Okay, just you have to press this refresh button, then it will be just good over here for you when you have just done that. So just we have pressed this h1, and now over here you have to come, and now over here I will be just writing like thing. I will be just coming over here, and now I will be writing interactive map. So right over here interactive map. Okay, so you can see we have just written that. I will be just hitting save, and now when you've done that you have to come over here, and now I will be just coming underneath again, and I will be just making buttons. So I will be writing over here like div.btn. I will be writing div.btn. Now come over here, I will be writing a tag over here. Now just write this hashtag, then you have to come over here, and I will be just making some of the buttons. So my button first name was like offices, so I'll be writing offices. Now when you've done that you have to write f over here again. So just you have to just copy that and paste. So I'll be just copying that, paste and paste and paste. Okay, so when you've done that you have to come over here, and now I will be changing its name. Okay, so just you have to go to over here. Okay, so over here you can see there certain offices, countryside, playground, house, countryside, playground, house. So I will be writing over here countryside, and I will be writing playground and house. So I'll be writing playground over here. Okay, so I'll be writing playground. So right over here playground and house. So I'll be writing playground over here. Then over here when you've done that you have to come over here, and I'll be writing over here like house. So right over here house like that, and just when you've done that you have to do like that. Now when you've done these all you have to hit save over here again, and I will be just hit refresh, and now over here it has been just gone. So I will be just gone to my, now it has been just done, your work has been just, I will copy that again, and I will be just pasting that. So paste that again over here, and now just come over here now, and now over here I will be just changing into like country. Okay, so just when you've done these all you have to just go over here again, and over here it is just industry. So I'll be coming over here, and I will be writing industries over here. Okay, so now it is good. So when you've done that you have to do like hit save over here, and now when you've done these all just you have to go to your CSS file over here, and I will be just creating that. So I will be writing this sign over here, and first of all I will be writing margin 0 pixel, and padding should also be 0 pixel. And now over here when you've done that just you have to come over here, and now I will be writing over here like box sizing over here border box. I'll be writing border box. Then when you've done these all just you have to come over here, I will be just hitting save, just go to index.html, and I will be just linking that. So I'll be writing link.style, and I will be just coming over here, and I will be writing style.css, which is our style sheet name. Then I will be coming over here, and I will be linking my JavaScript sheet. So I'll be writing script, then I will be writing src, then come over here I will be writing script.js, which is my script, means my JavaScript sheet name. So over here you have to hit save again. Now when you've done that you have to go to like style over here, and now just you have to come over here again, and I will be writing another thing. So just come over here, and now over here I will be just writing over here like the, just erase that now, because now just you have to come over here, and just you have to come over here again, and I will be just writing over here like box. So first of all I will be just coming over here and I will be writing body. Then when you've done that just you have to come over here, and I will be just coming over here, and I will be writing the margin. So over here I'll be writing over here like 10 pixel. Then when you've done that, just you have to come over here, and now I will be writing over here like padding should also be over here 5 pixel. So over here when you've done that, all you have to come over here, and now just I will be writing another thing, just erase that. Now I will be coming over here and I will be writing over here like dot, and I will be just coming and I will be writing my btn tag. So I'll be writing btn, and over here I'll be just going to my index.html file again, and I will be just writing over here like class. Okay, so I'll be writing the class of like office. Okay, so just write over here like office like that. Now just you have to do like copy this class from here. Okay, and I will just paste that in all the buttons which I have just written. So paste over here also. Okay, so I'll be just paste that over here, and then over here also, and over here also. So I will be just do one thing, like I will be just changing it to countryside. So right over here like countryside. So I'll be writing countryside over here. Now just when you've done that, come over here, I'll be writing playground. So right over here like playground over here. Now just when you've done that, I will be writing s like that, and then c over here small, then t over here like that, and g over here like that. Now just when you've done that, you have to come over here, I will be writing over here house, then just write over here industry like that. So I'll be writing industry like that over here. Okay, so just when you've done that, you have to do one thing, like I will be just copy that, I will be just hit save, and I will be just do one thing, like I will copy this office one, and now over here I will be just coming and I will be pasting that over here. Now over here you have to come and I will be just changing like border radius, which should be like 12 pixel over here. Okay, so when you've done that, come over here, and now I will be writing the color. Okay, so the color I need of white, so I'll be defining white over here. Now just come over here, I will be writing over here border, which should be 1 pix solid, and it should be white over here. Now just when you've done that, come over here, I will be writing the border color white. Then when you've done that, just you have to come over here again, and now over here I will be just defining, like just come over here, and now just you have to write over here border radius we have defined. Okay, so over here I will be just coming in the body section, and I will be defining background. Okay, and the background I will be just coming of like RGBA, and I will be just going and I will be writing over here like RGBA of light deep sky blue. So I will be writing over here deep sky blue like that. Now you have to just do like you have to do like that. Now when you've done that, you have to hit save over here, and now just when you've done these all, you have to come over here now, and I will be just changing like that. And now you have to just come and write the padding. Okay, so the padding I want of like, just come over here and write 15 pixel. So now when you've done these all, you have to come over here and change it to 10 over here. Okay, or 15 I will be just giving, and the border radius I want of like 20. Okay, so just come over here and I will be just giving to 15 over here, or you can also give it to like 21. Okay, so now it is enough. So when you've done that, you have to come and give it to 13, and I will be just coming over here and I will be doing like that. So when you've done these all, I will be just hitting save over here, and now I will be just copy paste that many times like I have written. So I'll be just paste that over here again. So over here I will be just going to my index.html file, and I will be just copy this countryside over here, and now I'll be just coming and I will be just pasting that over here also. So I'll be coming over here, paste that over here countryside, then I will be coming and I will copy this playground over here, control Z, control C, come over here, and I will be just pasting that over here. Okay, so now when you've done that, paste that over here, just go to index.html again, and I will be just copy this house one, and now when you've done that, you have to come over here, and now I will be paste that over here. So just when you've done these all, you have to come over here, and now I will be copy this industries over here, and I will be just pasting that over here also. Okay, so now over here when you've done these all, I will be just pasting that and I will be just erasing that. Now over here when you've done that, you have to hit save over here, and now over here you can see we are getting our buttons. And now just when you've done that, you have to come over here, write over here text decoration none. So I'll be writing text decoration none. So now when you've done that, you have to do like that. Now just you have to do like copy this text decoration, control C, paste that over here, and over here also, then over here also. So over here when you've done that, you have to come over here and paste that over here also. Then I will be just hitting save. Then when you've done these all, you have to come over here, and I will be just writing over here like h1 tag which I have defined, and I will be writing over here like just come and press enter. Then come over here, I will be writing text align center, so I will be taking it to center. So right over here center like that. So when you've done that, come over here, and now I will be just giving the padding of that of like 20 pixels. So I will be writing padding 20 pixel over here. Okay, so here you can see now it has been just down enough. You can see that. Now over here I will be just giving it to like 25 if I do. So over here you can see now it has been just going down. So I will be just hitting save over here again, and now over here I'll be just do one thing, like I will be coming over here, and now over here I will be just giving the hover effect to these all things. So I will be just do one thing, like I will be copy this btn tag over here, and over here I'll be just coming and I will paste that, and I will be just write over here like dot in the front of that, and I will be just paste all the class which I have just copied over here, paste that over here, and now just erase this dot, then copy this over here and paste that over here also. So I'll be just pasting this all the classes which I have just copied, and over here I will be just copying that and I will be pasting that over here also in the front of that. So now when you've done these all, you have to come over here and I'll be just copying this countryside, okay, and over here you have to also paste that, okay. So just when you've done that, you have to do like that, and just come over here and copy this office one now again, and I'll be just coming over here and I'll be just pasting that over here. So now when you've done that, you have to come over here and I'll be writing hover. So I'll be writing over here hover like that, and now just come and write over here background, and I will be writing background color which should be like white. So I'll be writing white. So when you define that, you have to hit save, and now if I just hover on that, so there's not coming any of the hover effect, you can see that, okay. So over here you can see if we have defined these all, but I will be just defining one thing. If I do, and if I just press backspace, and if I do like that, and if I just hit save over here, and now over here you can see see that it's not coming. So I will be just do one thing, like I will be just taking it to front, and I will be just writing dot over here. Now just when you've done that, you have to hit save again, and I will be just showing you over here, and over here you can see now the hover effect is coming, but over here you can see that we are getting our color, okay. So the over here I'll be just coming and I will be giving the color of black. So when you've done that all, you have to come over here and I will be just changing it to save, and I will be writing over here. You can see that now we are getting correct hover effect, okay. So over here if I just do that with like if I just do that with JavaScript, you will be just seeing one of the greatest thing over here, okay. In JavaScript, if I just do it if I just show you in side by side, so here if I just come and I will just change it to like office. If I do over here office, then over here when you've done that, you have to come over here and I'll be just changing it to like just come over here, and now come over here and I'll be writing playground. So I'll be writing playground, then come and write over here like house we have written. So I'll be coming over here, go to the top, and I'll be just changing it to industry. So I'll be writing industries over here. So now when you've done that, you have to just do like erase these all, and I'll be writing dot. Then when you've done that, I will be just going to the top and I will be writing countryside. So right over here countryside, then over here I'll be just hitting save. So over here if I just hover on that, over here you can see all the things are just going good, okay. So we will just this much styling we will just do that with CSS. Now all the things now which we are doing, we will just do that with JavaScript. So just you have to come over here, and now over here I'll be just coming over here, I'll be writing function, then I'll be just coming over here, and now over here I will be just coming and I will be writing over here const, then right over here dot button, right over here like easy, and I'll be coming over here and I'll be writing button dot, okay. So when you've done that, you have to come over here, define let const equal, and I'll be defining function dot, and just when you've done that, you have to come and write button, and I'll be writing over here another thing which is called const, okay. So I'll be writing const dot continue. So when you've done that, you have to come over here, I will be defining let function equal function. So just come over here, and now we'll be defining document dot query selector. So I'll be defining over here document dot query selector, okay. So in the JavaScript it is not showing because it is just going in the backend, okay. JavaScript is used for backend like you all know. Then I will be writing function over here. Just come over here, and now I'll be writing let, then I will be writing button equal, and I'll be writing function. So I'll be writing function. So if I just hit refresh, then it will be just working. So I'll be just doing like that, and now over here I'll be just do one thing. I will be coming over here, I'll be writing continue, then I'll be defining like that. And if I just show you now, if I just do like that, and just when you've done these all, you have to come over here and I will be defining easy dot button, okay. So we have defined these all now. So come over here, now I'll be writing button dot add event listener. So I'll be writing add event listener now, and I will be just coming over here and I'll be defining function dot, and I'll be defining over here comma continue. Then when you've done that, come over here, I'll be defining over here button dot add dot, then come over here, I'll be defining function. Then when you define that, I will be just writing dot, and I'll be writing over here button again. So just come over here, writing floor dot random again, just come over here and write continue. So when you've done that, come and write button dot, and over here I'll be writing const, then over here I'll be just showing you like function tag over here. So just if I do like that, and just you have to do like that and write add dot function, and just write over here like dot continue. And just when you've done that, come over here and I will be writing over here function dot, and I'll be writing floor dot random like that. So just when you define that, come over here and I will be writing over here continue dot button dot add dot then, okay. So when you've defined that, just you have to do like, I'll be just taking it to full screen because now I have to just hit refresh. Okay, so I'll be just saving that all. And now when you save that, I will be just doing one thing, like I will be just going to my HTML file. Okay, and now over here I'll be just making another file over here. We just taking it to the top over here also, and I will be just doing like that. And I will just do one thing, like I will be just giving, I will just linking that. Okay, means I will be just linking that with my HTML file. So I'll be writing index.html, and if I just do like that, and if I just do over here like that, and just go to your script file over here, and now if I just change it to like offices. Okay, so I'll be writing offices comma countryside, and now over here I'll be writing over here comma, and I will be writing playground. Okay, and comma house comma, and I'll be writing industries. So right over here industries. So now over here you can see in the corner it has been just made it. Okay, so we have just done that. Over here you can see we have just linked that our HTML sheet with JavaScript. So because of that it is coming that. Okay, over here you can see in the style, over here you can see that styling, then script. I will just go to script, and over here you can see we have just done that. I will be just hitting refresh. So over here you can see it has been just working. So if I just open that, and if I just show you by full screen, so over here you can see now our interactive map has been ready. Over here you can see, because we were just showing the HTML and CSS. Okay, you cannot show the JavaScript because JavaScript is the front end word, so JavaScript is a back end word. So because of that it is not coming in the front end. You cannot see that. When you will just hit refresh, then you will be seeing all the JavaScript which we have done over here in the back end. Okay, so I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project and understand that how to build one interactive map project in JavaScript. So just I will meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.